Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word venture. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. They decided to venture into the unknown wilderness to explore new opportunities. Venture refers to taking a risky or daring journey or undertaking a new business opportunity with potential for gain or loss. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.